Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Zach, your RV specialist. And so I came under here under the coach, and I'll come back to Zach in a second, but he just got done installing some Sumo springs on this trailer. And so these go on top of the spring perch, and I'll let Zach tell you a little bit more about them.
Yeah, so actually on this job specifically, customer had a bad axle. He came in for us to replace the axle, which we found was bad last time he was here when we installed the Dexter Easy Flex. So during this time with the axle replacement, he wanted to add the Sumo springs. These things are great. They act as a bump stop to help kind of eliminate and dampen that upward bouncing motion. They help try to eliminate that upward bouncing motion. Along with his Dexter Easy Flex, it's pretty much going to eat most of this California roads and whatnot that beat these things up. So it'll be a good
friction
addition
and vibration.
Mm-hmm. It'll help eliminate a lot of that.
G-forces and anything else. Well, that's very cool. So the last time he was here, we did the Dexter Easy Flex kit, which that's right there.
Yep.
And then you just replaced this rear axle.
Yep, rear axle.
And then,
which I believe last time he was here, not only was it the Dexter Easy Flex, you got new leaf springs and everything. So.
And new leaf springs as well. All right, well, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already joined any of our Facebook groups online, we post pictures and videos like this to help let the consumers know like what we're doing, what parts we're using, what tools we're using, what the guys are all up to, so make sure you check it out, and hopefully you enjoy these videos, and we'll keep them coming. Thanks so much for watching.